Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by ensuring your Apple ID and iCloud are active so data syncs across devices. Once done, open the Health app and go straight to Browse to see categories like Activity and Sleep. From here, add favorites to shape your dashboard. Make sure to permit other apps and devices to write or read health data in settings Right Arrow Privacy, Right Arrow Health. This allows step counts, heart rate, and sleep entries to flow automatically into one place. Next, connect your devices. Tap your profile, then Devices to add an Apple Watch or third-party tracker so readings import automatically. Once connected, edit the summary view and favorites to prioritize what you care about: heart rate, steps, sleep, weight, so the app surfaces the most relevant trends. You can also add manual entries by selecting a category and tapping Add Data. This is useful for past measurements or when syncing delays occur, and it keeps your long-term trends accurate. To finish, review trends and highlights to see real improvements and set goals that match your baseline so progress is measurable. If you need records for a doctor or backup, export all health data from your profile. Make sure to regularly open the app so sync's complete. If you notice missing readings, check permissions, confirm Bluetooth and device connections, and verify iCloud sync. Resetting a device or toggling health permissions often resolves common import issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.